Hey YouTube, this is your girl Chef Tay. I was coming to you today because I just finished my workout. I wanted to show you a really quick, easy keto meal that you can make in less than 15 minutes, and it'll be a keto lunch and a keto dinner. I'll show you my ingredients in just a second, but it's a shrimp stir fry, and I'll show you how to make it. Stay tuned. Here are the main ingredients for my shrimp stir fry. I have about 1 pound of the wild caught extra large shrimp here. I'm going to be using unrefined coconut oil. I'm also going to be using a tamari sauce. And we also have a garlic chili paste, about 2 cups of shredded cabbage. Now, here's a trick. You can go to the salad aisle and get a bag of, it says coleslaw mix. All coleslaw mix is shredded cabbage and carrots in there. So you can get one without the carrots in there, and that's basically what I did because I didn't have any time to shred my own cabbage. But if you have time to shred your own cabbage, please feel free to do so. And I have about, I'm gonna get about 2 of these eggs here. And these are organic. Listen, you do not have to do that. You don't have to have organic eggs. I just choose to have organic eggs, and I choose to have wild caught shrimp. But you can do it as you may. But these are the main ingredients here. So I'll show you in just a second how we cook it. Okay, YouTube. So I'm heating up my pan now. I got it on medium. It's medium heat right here. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. I'm going to put it in my pan. It comes out. Sometimes like when it's hard like this, you gotta spoon it out with your finger. All right, there we go. All right, so I got coconut oil in here. I'm gonna let it melt down. I'm gonna smear it around the pan like this. Just give it a little wiggle there. Once the coconut oil gets down to a liquid, that means you don't see any more hard substance. It shouldn't take long because anything over 74 degrees, coconut oil turns to liquid. So pretty much room temperature. Anything hotter than that is going to be a liquid. It doesn't take a long time for it to heat up either. So that's why I like using it. It's like almost instantaneously when I put it in there. So now that I got that, and then it smells amazing. So now I got that in there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my jumbo shrimp in here. So we just want to cook them. It doesn't take long for shrimp to cook. I would say about 4 to 5 minutes. I will put that in there, and then they start to turn pink. Once they turn a really bright pink color, that's when you want to take it out, and I'm gonna let you know when to take it out. All right, so I'll put that in there. Get my spoon. All right, got my spoon here. So if you, most wild caught shrimp don't come peeled, but there are a few that do. But I'm gonna take the time to peel it off of there. You cannot use wild caught shrimp. It makes it a little bit more easier. Or if you want to go ahead and use cooked shrimp as well, I mean, you can skip this step. But I like doing this because it actually brings out the flavor, and everything that we cook is going to be in the same pot here. So that way, you know, everything is just mixed together. I don't really like cooking things separately because you create more dishes. I really don't like washing dishes. And also, like, I feel like you lose some of the flavor. So that's why I prefer to cook everything together. So this is going to cook up pretty well. So just wait. And it doesn't take long for shrimp. Like, it really don't. So that's why I like using it. Shrimp is my main go-to when I do a stir fry because when I get back from the gym, I'm extremely hungry. On top of me being hungry, I do not want to stand over this stove for more than 15 minutes because I just want to eat. You know, I want to eat, take my shower, and relax. So it hasn't even been about 2 minutes. They're almost done. They're almost done. They're almost done. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about in just a second. All right. Almost done. And it smells amazing too. Because coconut oil has such a low burning rate in terms of when you heat it, you want to make sure that you keep it on low because when you put it on high, it's going to start popping, making it nearly impossible for you to cook anything. So you want to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to show you what my shrimp is like, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my eggs, and I'm going to scramble them on the side. So I'm going to show you what my shrimp looks like and what I did. So my shrimp is completely cooked at this point, and I'm going to put them in a corner like this. And you want to take them from out of the middle of the pan, because you don't want them to burn, but you want to put them on the edge of a pan. Try to get a decent size like stir fry pan. Or you can just get a regular like size pot, but just make sure it's a decent size where you can put things in sections. That way things aren't burning as you're cooking them. Does take a little bit of skill, but not that much that you can't do. So I'm going to show you what my shrimp are looking like. So these are my shrimp. So once it turns this color right here, you see? Now we want to add our eggs so we can scramble it. All right, so we're about to make some scrambled eggs in this pot. All right, so I'm going to get my eggs. Got my eggs, 1 and 2. Put them in a corner. I'm going to show you what I did. Put them in a corner. There we go. All right, show you what I did here. So put the eggs in a corner like this. Got it? So now I'm just going to scramble them. No particular fashion. You know, scrambled eggs. Scramble them in the corner. You don't want them to burn, so, you know, just scramble them up. It shouldn't take long, about 1 minute or so. 1 minute or so. Alright. Oh, that didn't take long at all. Alright, so now my eggs are done. So you want to kind of get them like this consistency here. You don't want to cook them all the way through because remember we have to add our cabbage to it. So you don't want to overcook your eggs. So this is what we're looking at right now here. See? Alright, so we got our scrambled eggs here. So now what we're going to do is add our 2 cups of cabbage. Alright, so I got my cabbage here. Put it in there. Alrighty. So that's looking good, right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to try to mix this up. Go ahead and mix it up. You want to make sure we get the cabbage at the bottom. Try to saute it. I try to like to bring the eggs on top, so that way they don't overcook. Alright, so we got a nice little pot going on here. Alright. So this should take about 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes to saute. Once the cabbage starts to become a little bit translucent, I like mine still a little bit crunchy. So once some of them starts to become translucent, and I'll come back and show you what I'm talking about, then I turn the heat off, and then I put my sauces in there. But I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So my cabbage is cooked down to the point where I like it. If you like yours a little bit more softer, then cook it a little bit more longer. If you like it a little bit more crunchier, then cook it a little bit less. I mean, you be the judge, but it shouldn't take you no more than 5 minutes to cook this cabbage. And that's better being on the extra soft side. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you what it's looking like now before I put my 2 other ingredients in here. So that's the cabbage with the shrimp. See, I like mine like that. So what I'm going to do, I have turned the heat off already. I'm going to sit this phone down so I can show you guys something. I'm going to take this sauce right here. So this is just basically like a soy sauce. I like this. The numbers on here are really great. It doesn't have any sugar on it. And also you don't have to add any salt to it because it has a lot of flavor. So I got this out of the international aisle. It's typically like in the Asian food kind of section, but you can find this sauce. It doesn't have to be this brand, but they carry this sauce. All right, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon in here. All right. I'm gonna add 2 because I put 1 tablespoon for every cup of cabbage, and I have 2 cups of cabbage, so I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of this sauce in here. Alright, so I did that. Now this garlic chili paste, same deal. I found this in the Asian section over there in my grocery store in the international aisle. So I got this right here. It's a garlic chili paste. Now I like mine spicy. You can omit this if you don't like spicy because it is spicy, but I like spicy, and for the thermogenic properties that it possesses, I love spicy. So, and it tastes amazing. So it just adds a little bit more dynamic to your meal. So if you want to chef it up, get this. So I'm gonna get this, and for me, because I like spicy, now you can add as much as you want. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon because I like spicy, but if you just like, hey, I'm gonna try it, you want to probably just want to do a little 1-2 teaspoon or 1/2 tablespoon just to try it out. But when you open it up, the aroma is there. You want to smell the spice. So me, I'm gonna go ahead and put my tablespoon in here because I told you guys I like spicy. All right. So I got my tablespoon in there. And that is pretty much it. So this recipe only really called for 5 ingredients. Takes you less than 15 minutes to make, and it's a really quick, easy meal. So if you want to use just like 1 portion, then you can use 1 cup of cabbage and a half a pound of shrimp, and you can and 1 egg. So you can adjust it how you want it. But I just use 2 because I need lunch and dinner. So I'm gonna cook my lunch, save the rest. I'm gonna eat some for lunch and save the rest for dinner. And so that's what I'm gonna do. So let me go ahead and mix this up so I can show you guys what we're working with. Oh my God, it looks so good. I'm so hungry. Now for a little extra flair, sometimes I do add an avocado just if I need to up my numbers and I'm not hitting my macros for my keto diet, but it tastes good without an avocado. But an avocado takes it to the next level. Too bad I thought I had an avocado, but when I opened the avocado up, it wasn't good, so can't use an avocado. So, oh yeah, this looks amazing. Oh my God, I wish you guys were here to taste it. So that's it. This is my little tutorial on my shrimp stir fry, my keto shrimp stir fry, what I use, how to make it. It's really good for on the go, or if you just have a really big family and you have, or you're in school, you just really don't have a lot of time to cook. This doesn't require a lot of your time. Like, you're not gonna be over the stove slaving for more than 15 minutes. It's literally toss it in there, stir fry, we're done, less than 15 minutes. So this is a very quick and easy, and it tastes amazing, and it lasts for multiple meals. So if you cook a really big batch of it, you can cook a big batch or a small batch, and it's all less than 15 minutes. So, you know, I thank you guys for tuning in. If you want to see more videos like this of keto-friendly meals that you can cook under 15 minutes, please leave a comment below, or click the subscribe, and I would most definitely appreciate that because I don't have any followers. But just let me know if y'all want to see more recipes. I love cooking. That's what I do. So, hey, talk to you guys later.